Hi again, guys. In this video I'll show you payment proof from adsme URL Shortener. It's a new shortener and I'll tell you a bit more words about it later. Now let's go to the channel, URL Shortener reviews. This is the channel for those of you who are watching my videos for first time. In this channel I'm posting payment proofs each weekend about payment proofs posted into the shortenerreview.com forum. So register there, post your payment proof, and I will make a video about your payment proof, and in the description of the video I'll include only your referral link so you can win some money from referrals who want to support you and register from your link. Subscribe to the channel from here. In this area of your video you are seeing a button to subscribe to stay tuned for more videos, or subscribe from the button in the channel. Now let's go to shortenerreview.com forum from here, and this is the forum. You can register from this button. The registration form is super easy. And now this is adsme. Adsme is the URL Shortener payment proof I've posted 2 days ago. Here we go. So I made the withdrawal 28th of March. This is the amount, and I've received the payment like 12 days later. 12 days later, 9th of April. And this is the amount. So this is a new shortener. I know the owner. He has like 2 shorteners before AdSense banned the shorteners, started banning shorteners. He was paying me, and he is very trusted and experienced admin. So you can trust him and use the shortener. If you have any problems, contact me. I'll contact him. I'll have him in my WhatsApp. And for payment process or any other issues, contact me, and I promise I'll answer you as soon as possible. Register from this link or from the link down below into the video description to support me, and post payment proofs for shorteners in the future. I'm doing this for free, and I get nothing in return except referral earnings if you guys decide to register from my links. Okay, that's it for this shortener. Let's continue to the other one, to the next one. Bye.